coconut.
I know, but who said it's probably them behind us?
Must have been, because
Oh, you f***er. Jesus, f*** me. You f***ing wanker. Did you see that?
yeah.
That looks a bit silly.
That was very...
Naughty boy. Where you f***ing going?
That's one way. She's like, I know.
Ooh. Oh my god. What was that forward planning? Wrong lane right to the end, right at the junction, then swing a left. Very poor planning.
Move over to the next lane, you twat. Stupid.
No. Idiot, honestly. Just told you no. Not sure what that car's doing.
I don't need to overtake you because I'm turning left. Oh, was that you indicating you wanted to turn left with your head? Okay. I thought you were asking me to overtake you.
Bane of our chip on.
I don't think there's much more damage I could do. Yeah, it's a green light, lads, but just walk across the road, yeah. It's not like there's a button you can press to stop traffic. Shame for you lot, taking their beer for a walk. Didn't actually get caught on that junction because it was a green light. If anyone moans about that.
Hayner has said she'd been bombarded with her surveillance ads based on her personal data. In sport, Wales survived a slight scare to start their 2026 World Cup qualifying campaign with a 3-1.
Yes, that's quite good.
Yeah, my ears. Oh dear.
Yeah, so turn right onto Grinlow Road.
That's been a rollover, that has.
Yeah. Turn right onto Grinlow. Why couldn't you just stay put for a while? Oh, naughty boy. Oh, and again, you naughty boy.
Brand new just now. Not even fully out. Ta-da!
Red light, wasn't it? You just ran there. Lovely job.
It's a 30 zone, my man. Got far, didn't you? Totally worth it, dude.
He turned up at the Kennedy Centre.
Oh no, not allowed.
Have we got audio of that? Do you want to have a listen to just...
Anyone fancy buying a Pontiac Catalina? Big enough for just about anything. And a dear little de Chevaux. Austin van and a P4 Rover. Nice Pontiac Trans Am, early one. Standard 8. Early Ford Escort. Lancia Delta Integrale.
I mean, they're true.
It's not factually incorrect.
Then when she got out, and then when I opened the gate and she realised where she was like,
practical and I need to eat. So I'm not the
Heimer.
It's nor have I ever been that
I got
worried
leech
about
in
the fact that
Well, either your reverse camera or one of your lamps has fallen out. So that's good, isn't it? Standard Jaguar build. Quality.